Hi, I'm Marie Solid. I'm the branch manager of the Poe Library on Sullivan's Island, and today we're going to make an origami heart. Your origami heart, kind of like this one, will end up about a quarter the size of the piece of paper. So first, you fold it in half. And then you fold it in half the other way. And now you take the bottom and fold it to that crease in the middle. Okay. Next, we flip it over and with the folded side down, and we fold the bottom edge to the middle crease on both sides. Now we flip it over again, and we fold this top edge down to the middle crease. On both sides. Next is the only tricky part. You're going to fold this top corner down to the bottom corner. But when we pull it down, we're not folding the white triangles. So you're pulling it, letting it roll over, leaving those triangles intact. And now you're going to fold the whole thing over so the triangle points in on both sides. And we're going to fold the top corners in again. All the layers. And now here where it's open, this corner is coming in this way on both sides. And then the top triangle comes down on both sides. Flip it over and you have a heart.